Kia ora tātou, nei mai hara mai, hoki mai, ki tūnu kai, ko tahi rau mā tahi. Ko Clay Walker hau.
Kia ora ko ora mai tēnā hau.
Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou katoa, ngā taki taki mai. I tēnei rā, o tō mātou tūnu kai, ko te parawa prai, hara ko te whai ko. Tētahi o ngā tino kai i ngā marae puta no te motu.
So we're going to get the active yeast. I use Edmonds, you don't have to, you can use whatever one you want. And I use two lids. So, and I will always use the jug because it will the yeast will rise once you put the hot water in. So that's 1 and 2.
Tahi, rua.
So you do it, here it is. Then I'll put some hot water in, just so it doesn't get clumpy. So it can get clumpy once you put the flour in. So this is plain flour in here. So I'll just keep stirring and keep putting in some warm water. And then I'll put the plain flour in. So that's just normal plain flour, just pans. And then I'll just mix it just a little bit. So when you're using yeast, you don't really like to touch it that much. So we're just going to let it rise. We'll probably let it rise to about here. And it will probably take 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take too long. Okay, so we've got our plain flour. We're just going to chuck in our plain flour.
Okay, me tapari te pēkana powder, baking powder.
Hey, Uncle, do you want to pour or mix?
I'll pour.
Okay.
Mix is a bit messy.
Okay, so you're just going to get a fork. Fork is the easiest.
Water,
Metal fork.
Into the well.
Nice.
The well.
We're just going to do bit by bit. And we're just going to slowly work the flour that's on the side into the middle.
Ngāti Whātua.
And we're just going to mix this until all the flour is in, and then we're going to start to knead.
Poke poke, knead.
Okay, so we're at about half a whole for the bread to settle, and it's tatanē. You can wait longer, up to 2 hours if you want to, but it's up to you. It depends on how much time you've got and how you want your bread to taste. So now, just going to uwhi anō, te parawa puehu, kei rungi te papa, and then autumn will put it out, and we're going to tapa here into 2 parts.
This is how I do it. I always use my fist, and then I'll fold it, and then fold it.
Right. So poke out, tēnei.
We won't want to knead too much because it's going to get hard and not soft like it is now.
Okay.
Okay, so I was kneading it on this side.
Alright.
I'm going to flip it over, and then I'm going to use my knuckles. So knuckles, and this is how we're going to spread it out, ready to cut it. And then we're going to cut them with a plate or a bowl. It's much easier because the dough doesn't get stuck to it. So if we do have a knife, it gets stuck on the knife.
Okay, nai nei, ko wera te hinu.
If you're a pro, you can just do this. Okay, it doesn't take too long, we're just going to wait till the sides get brown.
And ka pēhea kia mojo koe ko riri.
So, when we flip it over, because all the edges are brown,
Right.
and we flip it over again and it's brown, it'll be ready. Am I hired?
You're hired. Don't tell him to jump. Right?
Thanks whānau for tuning in to Ngāti 101. This is our last episode in Mahuru Ōrākei.
Heru hāpaitia,